Hello guys, welcome to Khan's CAD Academy, and today we will continue our extractor design. Today we will be modeling the shaft and other parts. So let's start. We will start by clicking the new file, click on the part, click OK. Make sure that the dimensions are in millimeters. So let's go and model the shaft. As we know that we already had the dimensions in millimeters, but the dia is given in inches. So first we change these to inches. We go to sketch. So there can be also another way around, like you can convert the 3/8 inches to millimeter, but I guess to convert the units to inches will be more accurate. So let's draw the dia of this shaft. Click on the smart dimensions. We will input here 3/8 inches. Okay, that's it. Exit the sketch. Now we will change the units to millimeter, and the extrusion length is about 220 millimeters. So we will go to features, extrude command, click on the sketch, input the value 220 millimeters. So that's our shaft. Sorry. Now we will be doing this chamfer, that's 1.5 millimeters. So we'll go to features, then chamfer command, click on this edge, click on this edge, and now we'll input the values to 1.5 millimeters. So by default we have the chamfer at a 45 degrees angle, so we will keep the default angle and click OK, and that's it. We got the chamfer on the ends. Right, so the shaft is complete. Now we will save this file. By the name, we'll give it the part name. The part is number 1. So we'll give it Extractor 1. We'll save this file. So this is the second part. I hope you like the tutorial, and keep watching for the next part. Keep waiting for the next part. Peace out.